Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Miss T at ms.t is blessed. If this is your first time here, thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and watch the video to the end. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So today I'm going to share with you the end result of my distressed denim jacket. So I've already done two videos. The first one was distressed denim and fails, the mistakes I made. The second part of it was how far I have gotten along and how long I let all the designs stay on the jacket for a couple of weeks to see if the glue that I used worked. And then this is after that I finished, and then I waited a couple of more weeks to make sure everything was okay before I share it with you, and just to make sure that the glue stayed. So the materials I used were E6000 glue, of course the denim jacket, gems, diamond wrap, and some 3D paint. So this is my completed denim jacket. So this is the first side, my right side right here. So this is the distressed part I did. Some of the glitter glue I used. And all of that is in the other video. And this right here, this pocket, this is part of an old sandal that I cut off. And I glued and sewed that on. On the sleeve, I distressed a little bit, and I used black diamond wrap just to make an arrow, if you can see that. So that's and the diamond wrap comes from the collar straight down past the shoulder. So on the left arm, I have a similar design, but it's a little different. So I have the diamond wrap, black diamond wrap again, coming from the collar, and it goes down the sleeve, but it has more lines than just the plain arrow. So each side is the same, but it has a little bit of a difference. So on the left side, it has the same thing, but on the pocket I cut off more of the trim, the blue jean trim. So that's the left side. And on the back, I have some heart-shaped gems. And then I have my last name, Lion. And at the bottom is my favorite part. And that is a cityscape. And I have some more distressed places. So this is my denim jacket. And I know this time of the year is too hot for it, but I always take a jacket with me in the stores when I'm a little cold. And I bought this jacket from Walmart for about $19. So you can get a jean jacket anywhere, from a thrift store, your favorite store. This time of year, they're bringing them out again. So I just had three things to share with you about distressing a jean jacket or any item of clothing. First, you distress first. You cut it in the places you want it to be distressed, and you put it in the washer so that it'll have more of this distressed look like this. If not, it'll just be plain cuts. And so that's what I learned the first time. See this distressed look right here. So you have to put it in the washer. The second thing is to draw some type of picture and measure it you know, how big you want it, if you want a scenery, if you just want letters. Measure how much space you would need for the front or the back or the sleeve, whatever part you're going to use. And third and most important, use a glue that's waterproof, that you can use on material, and you have a precision tip nozzle that'll make it a lot easier to use, so that the glue, you can angle the glue, you know, like right here with a precision tip or precision nozzle. You can just aim it exactly where you want it, or you can put it on the material and then lay it right on, put it on the diamond rack or whatever you're going to use. Then you can lay it on the material. And in the back here, I used, like in the background you see the sparkle, that was some glue, like the raised glitter glue. So I started out trying to make letters with it, but I didn't like how it looked. But if I had practiced ahead of time on something else, I wouldn't have made the mistake. So I just made the best of it and just spread it out and just put the heart gems on top of it. So this is my denim jacket completed, and I hope that you enjoyed the information that I shared with you. So this is Miss T. Please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you leave a comment, and then I can get back to you. We can talk about different things or my next project that I'll do. So this is Miss T at Miss T is Blessed. Remember, today is a gift. Enjoy your present and live your best life. Have a blessed day. Bye.